Yes. Thank you. Anyway, guys, thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. That followed with a big thumbs up, a comment down below, and you share this video with somebody else. That will make my day. Today's video is about 7 things that beautiful, pretty women always do. Always. First things first. We all like being beautiful. We all like being looked at. And we all want to be admired, right? The thing is, we don't just dress for men. You also dress for women. Hello? I am a woman. I know. Women are our biggest critic. Some things that men don't see, don't care about, don't know about, don't notice, don't understand. A woman will pick up on it and point it out. So, when you get ready to walk out the door, keep in mind who you're dressing for. Beauty takes a lot of work. It sets the real from the fake. There's no getting around it. There's no shortcuts. So if you want to look beautiful, you got to put in the work. You gon' put in the work, or you're going to always notice a difference. You never going to be the baddest. Never. Yes, beauty takes a lot of work. Neat, clean, confidence, and even anal. Yes, some people call it anal, but you got to do what you got to do to stay looking. Okay. You can look cute. I'm going to say you can look nice, but that just means your hair ain't standing up on top of your head and your clothes match. But remember, you self-proclaimed to be the baddest, so that ain't gonna work. So, do you want to look nice or do you want to look beautiful? Because these are the 7 things that beautiful women always do. They never skip out on a hair appointment. Oh no, I gotta get my hair done. This is a bill. This right up there with the lights. They never skip a hair appointment because they understand a old grimy looking hairstyle takes away from their appearance. Beautiful women never go to sleep without wrapping it up. They understand that is a recipe for disaster. They never go to the shower without a shower cap on. And they never sit around without wrapping it up. The funny thing is, but they would never go out the door to the store with a bubble wrap on. That's a no. Beautiful women would never go without getting their feet done. They know that they can explain a broken nail. But crusty feet? What you talking about, Willis? That's a no. That's a no. That is a no. Beautiful women always keep their eyebrows done. They understand that brings out your face. It brings expression, beauty, drama to your face. This is why you stay away from eyebrows that come down too low, because they tend to make you look sad. But yes, beautiful women always keep their brows done. Beautiful women always make sure that their outfit is well put together. It's ironed, clean, no little stains that you're trying to rub out. No little tiny little hole. Not something you just drug out of your drawer and just threw on. Bloop. No. It's like art. Well thought about, well planned, and put to the side. From the purse to the hair to the accessories. It's not by luck. It's not by accident. Beautiful women always plan out their outfits. Always. You don't have to worry about your shirt is dirty, your pants is dirty, and here it is you trying to rub out a little stain. Maybe they won't see it. Maybe they won't see it. Maybe they won't see it. Yes, they're going to see it, okay? And that's all their eyes is going to focus on. Set aside days in advance, at least 5 outfits at a time. Always have an outfit in mind from beginning to end, how you want to wear it. So when you're in a rush, you're not just running out the door and just throwing on something. That's not what a beautiful woman does. Beautiful women always dress up. Always. No question about it. Even if they just stand in the house or go on to bed, they will still be dressed. Yes. And anybody that says that this is unnecessary, also, that's somebody that sneaks out the door sometime looking a hot mess. This is called forming great habits. You get in the habit of always looking nice, the easier it becomes. You get in the habit of walking around. Remember, there's no shortcuts. There's no getting around it. Beauty is a lot of work. Practice great habits, or you will practice bad ones that will leave you looking a mess. And if you're doing all of these things, girl, give yourself a hug, because that means you're looking beautiful.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you